My wife's doing some planting. Whoop. She likes plants. I like cars. Let's talk about cars. So, got some stuff. Got a box. Unfortunately, this is not the first unboxing because the first time that I did the unboxing, as soon as I opened it up, my neighbor started his lawnmower across the street. So, that's okay. People gotta mow their lawn. So that was not the first unboxing, but we'll make it as exciting as the real unboxing. See how exciting that was? So this is a box. It has a big harness in it. How do you guys probably know what this is? It's a full engine harness. I'm pretty excited about this. Waiting on it for a while. Injector harness. Harness, other harness, more harness, some other harness. It has a wideband O2 sensor. Comes with it. And if you haven't figured it out already, this might give it away. It has a 3-inch digital dash, touchscreen dash, that says Terminator X on it. Oh, boys, that's exciting. Really excited. So if you still haven't figured it out yet, I don't know what to tell you. So this is going to be the ECU. Look at how cool this thing is. Look at this little guy. It's very nice. It doesn't come with the motorcycle noise though. That was just a guy driving by. So it looks like we got some probably LEDs there. A little vacuum port. Everything just plugs right in. Really cool. And it comes with some extra vacuum fittings and a weld-in bung for the wideband. So that's pretty cool. So I know a lot of people have figured this out already, but this is like an extremely good deal because of just what it comes with. So a lot of times, like if you're using a stock computer, you have to buy a wideband and you have no protections. You have no boost controllers, so you could have to buy a boost controller. You have to buy a harness. You have to buy all the stuff that gets you in to probably more than this is worth or equivalent, and then you have less control features. So you don't have any gauges. You don't have a touchscreen control function. You're just lacking a lot of stuff. So this is going to have your air fuel ratio control, your boost control, inputs, outputs, all kinds of other stuff. Two-step, like good stuff for racing. It's just really worth it. Really worth it. So we're going to put this on the car here, and we're going to see how worth it is. It seems like it makes a whole lot of sense. So in this car, I'm switching from a micro squirt to this. So the big thing that I'm interested in with this is I feel like the controls are going to be a little bit better, and it also has a lot of input and output options. So there's things to control there. So we're going to throw all this stuff back in the box. And then we're going to take it a step further. So we have another thing here. My wife's watching me open this. That's just a hint. So you have a Holley 7-inch digital dash Look at this guy. Look at this. How sweet that is. Look at this little nugget of excitement. Comes with some styrofoam. Need that. Harnesses. A little towel to clean it. A little screwdriver. A stylus. That's pretty cool. I don't think I'll ever use that during a quarter-mile pass, but we'll figure it out. It even looks like it comes with a little zingy dingy here. Probably so you can take information and transfer it to your computer back and forth. So that's actually kind of cool, because I have one that I use typically now on my tuning laptop that I go back and forth with. So that's cool that it comes with one, like for transferring files back and forth. This stuff is going to do data logging on the unit, and you should be able to transfer it back and forth. I'm not 100% sure on all of it, so I'm going to be learning a lot. And I'm really excited to do it, because I am pretty sure this will do more than anything that I'll ever need to do in life. So that's exciting. Going to be an upgrade, a step up from the micro squirt. I'm very excited about doing that. And you guys are probably going to be a little bit disappointed because I didn't really give the micro squirt a fair shake and didn't really run like a full season with it. But I think with what I'm going to want to do with the car, this is going to be the right move, and it's the right time because we're dealing with the whole virus stuff and track's not going to be open for a while. So waiting on the transmission to get done. Going to put this on, and I did buy some slicks for the car, some 28-inch slicks, 28 by 10.5 slicks. So when we get everything set back up next time I take it out and drive it, it's going to have the slicks, the Terminator, the trans brake, and we're going to be in a totally different position than we were in before. So it should be exciting. Stick around. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.